Okay, so for the texture on the body, I'm going to use this because I think this just has a neat spotted kind of stripey look to it. And you can use either side. One is more subtle, one is you know, a little bit more defined. And I'm going to use the defined side.
And remember, this is the shelf lining that you buy at the supermarket.
Right. Or you can buy it at your Curious Mondo
Oh, you can
marketplace.
get the kit, yes. But it's an easy one to find.
Yes, it is. You just have to buy a giant roll of it. Okay. Okay, so just going to roll over that. And you can see it leaves a nice pattern. And then decide how you want to cut this out. I'm going to have him have that divide of green and yellow go right in the middle of him. Okay, so again, it was on the thickest setting. And when you go around, you just take a craft knife and cut him out. I'm going to probably re-roll the clay to do his head and his throat, so I'm not really concerned about, you know, preserving the blend. And angle the point of your knife in a little bit because we're going to want to round down the edges, so that makes it a little bit easier.
While you cut that, just to review guess 912, is this the thickest setting of the pasta machine?
Yes, it is.
Yes.